What's up, everybody? My name is Josiah.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Marsha.
Today we are doing something with these Cokes and Mentos. We are going to do the Coke and Mentos.
Speak up.
We are doing the Coke and Mentos challenge, but we are doing different flavors to see which one reacts the most, which means which one either goes like higher.
Okay. What are the flavors we have?
The flavors we have is Diet, regular Coca-Cola. We got cherry, and then we got regular.
Regular, off-brand.
Yeah, off-brand. Sounds cool.
So our goal is to put the Mentos in. And what's our essential question? What are we trying to figure out?
Which one of these Coca-Colas react the most?
Okay, Asha, what do you think?
I think that they're all going to be the same.
You think they're going to be the same? Josiah?
Diet, because it don't matter about the flavor. It just matters if it has less of that carbonation.
Well, I think they have the same carbonation. But when you have diet, it does have different, and the flavor, it has different chemicals in it.
Yep.
So, Bella?
I think the cherry is going to go higher.
Okay. So speaking of chemicals, let's get a view of the chemicals or flavors in each bottle. So we got to see the label.
Okay. Diet?
Yes, diet. We're going to look. Don't ask me to name any of those. Okay. And then we've got regular. And then we have cherry. So of course we're going to do them one at a time. So let's get that ready to go. Which one are we going to do first?
Get cherry.
Cherry?
No, cherry. Okay.
So we're going to do cherry first. Okay, let's get that set up.
Oh, this is yours.
All right. Okay, to do this experiment, we have the 2-liter of Coca-Cola and 1 package of Mentos. Bella's going to start off with carefully opening the bottle to hopefully not let any come out. And apparently that means to take 10 years. So we see that carbonation as we open it. That's the carbonation molecules coming up to the bottom. And hopefully this Mentos is going to make it go really big. So now we have to make it so that the Mentos all come out at the same time. So we open the package by opening the bottom and widening the side so that hopefully they'll all slide into the bottle. We'll see what happens. So we're taking the outer paper off, and then we'll loosen the foil inside as we drop it into the Coke bottle. All right, Bella, you're going to probably want to be standing unless you want to wear all of it.
Josiah, get your Coke.
Wait, it really goes
And you're going to have to carefully enter all of them.
Okay.
Yeah, turn it upside down with your finger there. And you're going to have to try and get it so they're all in there. Yes. Woo!
I didn't even go. Not like any got in.
That's about half.
Oh.
Well, let's see if it
So you can try and drop it again and see what happens. See that drop the rest. Oh, so you only got like 4 in there.
It's not doing anything.
Just save the last one for me.
Well, that is an interesting thing to note is that after the first reaction, nothing actually happens. All right, so that was the cherry cola. Next up is the regular cola. So now we have Asha hopefully carefully opening the Coca-Cola bottle, the regular flavor. All right, so we have Asha about to drop them. Technically, that's inserting an extra variable into our science experiment, but that's okay. We're trying to share here. So we're going to see what happens. And she's going to try and drop as many as possible. Or not.
Oh!
Woo!
That was even higher. I'm sorry.
All right, so
I got like one left in there.
you can think about how many Mentos got in there. So we had 2, 4, 5. So it looks like the same amount of Mentos made it in before it reacted, which was 4. And it may look like that regular one went higher. You may have to judge for yourself. So now we are on to Josiah and Diet Coke.
I think this one would be the most.
So he's going to start off by opening. It would be interesting to see how much is left in the bottle when we're done. All right. So now it's Josiah's turn.
You need to flatten those back up so they can go
Yep.
in your package side first.
Yep. You need to make them a nice, steady column.
Mine is steady. It's just cold. I mean, it's Hey, Mom!
All right. Are we ready? Woo! That went far.
I missed one. I missed one.
That was awesome.
That went far. So comparing them, which one went highest?
This one.
Sam's Diet Cola.
Wait, at least up to here.
So we're now taking off the labels to compare and see how much liquid came out of each of the bottles. Now Josiah did attempt and got more Mentos into the bottle, so that could affect the differences. Here's our wet spots left from our exploding soda. So we have regular, let's see, what was over there? Cherry Coke is in the middle.
No, cherry Coke.
Oh, Cherry Coke's the first one, regular Coke's the second one, and Diet is the last one. All right, so we are comparing to see how much liquid is in each. So which one has the least amount?
Josiah, mine. The Diet Coke.
So it looks like the Diet Coke has the least amount. Regular Coke has a little bit more than Cherry. So even though Josiah had a lot more Mentos in his, not that much more liquid exited the bottle. So our essential question was, which one's going to react more? And which one reacted more?
Josiah.
What flavor was that?
Regular, no, diet.
Diet
Diet
Coke.
Coke.
Why do you think it reacted more?
Because the artificial,
And you already got a hint.
yeah, the artificial sugars.
So Diet Coke tends to have artificial sugar and flavoring to make it diet, and the other two have full sugar, so that is sometimes why it reacts differently. That was the what?
Coke and Mentos challenge.